Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Excel for taxes. First, open a new Excel workbook and immediately save it with a clear name like Tax Records. Next, set up your main sheet by labeling columns for key financial data such as date, description, category, income, and expense. Consider creating additional sheets for specific income streams or detailed expense categories. Remember to format your numerical cells as currency and date cells appropriately for precise calculations. Now let's focus on tracking your income. For every payment received, enter the date, a brief description, and the gross amount. It's crucial to record the full amount before any taxes or other deductions are taken out. Categorize each income entry, perhaps using a drop-down list for consistency, distinguishing between salary, freelance earnings, or investment dividends. This detailed approach ensures you capture every dollar earned, making tax preparation much smoother. Next, we tackle expenses and deductions, which can significantly reduce your tax liability. Meticulously record every deductible expense, providing a clear description and the amount. Group these expenses into categories like office supplies, travel, or professional development. Always retain receipts, either digitally or physically, for at least 3 years. Use simple SUM formulas at the bottom of each category to automatically calculate your totals, saving you hours of manual addition. Finally, it's time for review and reporting. Before tax season, thoroughly check all your entries for any errors or omissions. Create a dedicated summary sheet that pulls together your total income and total expenses from all categories. Utilize Excel's powerful filtering and sorting features to quickly analyze specific expense types or income sources. When ready, you can easily export this organized data, making the transfer to tax preparation software or official forms straightforward and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.